There's some beautiful inspiration around when it comes to using flowers with food, but there are a few common misconceptions. So today we're going to set you straight.
You often see roses used for decorating, but the roses that you get at the supermarket or at your florist are actually not safe to eat because they're usually covered in pesticides. So we're going to show you a safe way to use these roses. You never want to put the stems straight in because they can leak into the cupcake. A food-safe way of doing it is actually popping the stems inside a straw. You can then push that straight into your cupcake.
So there's actually a wide variety of flowers that you can eat if they've been grown in a safe way. You can use flowers like pansies, little violas, snapdragons, and marigolds. And the great thing about decorating with edible flowers is that most of them don't actually have any flavour, so you can add them to pretty much anything and it won't take away from the original dish. I'm just going to use a few of the flowers as well to dress up these yellow cocktails. You just float a few of the little blooms on top.
And another great safe option for cocktails is using flowering herbs. So I'm using a sprig of lemon thyme, which has these beautiful tiny purple flowers at the top.
So as you can see, it's super beautiful and really simple to do.